Hi guys, I gotta record for my so Angry Birds Toucan. Here we go. Um so apparently there's guns in Angry Birds now and yeah. And apparently birds spawn no apparently birds spawn out of nowhere. So that's great. I'm gonna do a gameplay on this actually.
Dude, it's so glitched.
I
You see up top,
I
it keeps on spawning up there.
I gotta I love angry. What is this? What is? Are we like the three little piggies or?
Yeah, we are. The Tweety the piggies. He's sitting in the twee.
What is this? Like, oh my
Why would I
god!
want to buy a tree for
I
15K?
Well, the names look really legit. Angry Bird Toucan 1. Wow. Okay.
I'll find a red
So
bird again.
I'll see you guys in like 150 clicks or something. Like, what do they expect me to click 150 times?
Yes. I did. Dude, look at mine. I'm spotting bluebirds, red birds.
Is this like?
It's so pretty.
Is this like a like? They should just make a bird restaurant that you just eat birds.
No, but I would
Buy
like
more
to-
birds. I'm gonna like jitter click this. Just be like. Okay, I'm gonna double jitter click. Oh no, intense. Okay, I finally clicked 150 times. Well, more than that. And the guns, when you shoot, it's like it teleports you 2 meters away. Like.
This should be not an M9. It should be called the teleport gun.
Portal gun.
No,
It just went me. It just got me flying.
The 1 centimeter teleporter gun.
Are we like? Are we like Japanese eating all these birds or something? Are we gonna eat all these birds or sushi, or are we gonna roast them over the pink fire? All right, I'm gonna go take a walk. Oh, I want the Angry Birds merchandise, so I'll buy that. Oh, what
Dude,
new
this is
thing?
so stupid. It's spawning in a rock.
What did I get on Steam?
It's spawning in a rock.
Hey, CS:GO. I'm
I'm
not.
pretty sure this is not a real thing, but if you play Angry Birds, I'm pretty sure there's not a stone bird.
A giant blue bird in the middle. They ran out of creativity, so they used models. What the hell is that?
Can we buy a sword?
Oh my god! Seems like you can climb on top of it. Hey,
Why is a stone bird?
Look at no. In front of you, go in front of you. This is how people suicide now.
Bird. Dude.
I'm gonna use my teleport gun.
You're trying to run away from cops, and they keep on shooting at you. This is how you dodge bullets.
I like how the gun only
You
comes.
can't catch me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I need to reload. Wait, I'm out of ammo.
Same here.
There's no
Buy
ammo.
this tree. Buy this tree. It's worth
I
it.
don't have
Trust me.
enough. I don't have enough.
I love how like a converter speed is $700.
Dude, look at the stone bird. Get on there. You have to give me money.
Oh no, help me! I gotta become a bird.
Oh yeah, I can't shoot you. Oops. Ooh, I got an idea.
Oh no, you killed me.
Should I buy yellow katana?
Okay, R-E-R-E. Oh yeah, I gotta collect my birds.
Dude, there's a guy in my base. I gotta kill him. Wait, I'm out of ammo. I forgot.
I'll be there, I'll be there.
It only takes 2 shots to kill me. Please.
I'll be there.
He's a random dude.
He's a block guy. I killed him!
His body parts went everywhere.
Buy this tree, it's worth it, trust me. I'm an investor and I would buy
don't
this.
have enough money.
Okay. I'm gonna buy the stone bird.
Dude, it's very worth it. It looks like stone. Dude, now it has a pink stone bird. Now it's like a dark purplish.
They're running out of colors. Next is gonna be like green stone bird.
Dude,
What?
what just happened to my face? I don't have a face anymore.
That's what happens when you play too much Angry Birds.
No, seriously, I'm letting me.
Oh, I bought the stone bird! I'm gonna win this toucan now. Okay. Yeah, the stone bird makes you jump. Well, guys, I officially quit this. I'll see you guys in another crappy episode. Bye. Oh no, that's wrong cinema. That's a wrong. No, the wrong thing.